Alright guys, so current time is 8 a.m. New York time. So it's not 8:30 yet, so I'm not gonna take any trade yet. But price retraced back inside this gap, and look at how price trades into that midpoint of this fair value gap and then rejects this fair value gap. So I'm thinking if we can reject here, I'm gonna be looking for a short maybe up to here, this imbalance right here. So I'm gonna be looking for a short at 8:30, and then I'll be targeting the 1 hour fair value gap here, which is a busy, and I'll update you guys if I see any setup. Alright, so update sa US30. So I said kanina na I'm interested here at this 1 hour fair value gap. I'm interested in looking for a short setup here inside this imbalance, and as you can see, this fair value gap was being disrespected right here. So right there, when this candle closed above the fair value gap, nung nakita ko yan, nag-change gears na ako. So I was bearish kanina, and then I saw that. So I think to myself, I think it's just going to continue going higher, take out this buy side, and rebalance the inefficiency here, which is the 1 hour fair value gap right here. So I go to 30-minute time frame. Right here we have a, what's this, fair value gap, 30-minute fair value gap, and then in 1 minute time frame we have a displacement here. So we have a relative equal lows right here being taken out. Relative equal lows, sell side liquidity. The liquidity here was taken out inside the 30-minute fair value gap, and then we have a displacement right here at this short-term high. There we have shifting market structure right there. We have a breaker, which is this up close candle. We have a fair value gap, and then I entered long there. My stop loss was below the fair value gap, this one right here, this candle, and then I just targeted the buy side liquidity right here, the recent high, which is relative equal highs right there, and then it worked out pretty well. Also, I did take a loss today right here, 1% loss right there. I was targeting like the midpoint of the range, which is this. I thought it was going to at least rebalance to equilibrium, but I was wrong, and I quickly recognized that I was wrong, and because of that I was able to change gears agad. So I was able to recognize the conditions, and that's why I was able to take this long trade. So ipapakita ko sa inyo yung executions ko sa US30, and here it is.